Alright, welcome to my channel. This time let me quickly show you how to do this Tapswap Cinema Code. So for people fading on Tapswap, I will urge you not to, because Tapswap is verified now. I'll be dropping a video soon. Once you're in my WhatsApp channel, WhatsApp group, you get the video, you get a link. You see why I say you should not fade on Tapswap. Tapswap would do very much well, better than Notcoin. Yeah. It's not an advice, a financial advice, but that's my take. That's what I think from my researches and what I believe. You understand? So let's continue. When you open your Tapswap, this is what you see, right? This account is 18 million, 18 million data coins, still small. But now, then you move over to tax. You come to tax, all right? Task. So when you click on task, this is what you see. You see that Tapswap have upgraded their system. They've removed these connect wallets, pay one ton, all those things. Since Tom blockchain verified them, they have stopped all those things that are making people to dab them. So that's by the way. When you come to this place now, you will now see cinema special, all right? You see leaks, all right? Then you see rev. Okay, we're working on cinema. If you have not done this one, that's on special, you have to rush to do them. Okay, these ones here, you'll be getting a total of 1.3 million Tapswap coin. All right, so you click on cinema. On cinema, I've done this, and we click on learn what the turn is. That's the current task, today's task for July 1st. Click on it, and if you check on the group, I've posted the code. So you click on start mission. All right. Okay, it's loading network. Okay, start mission. Yeah, you click on watch. Watch is for you to go and watch the video and decode this code by yourself. But it said watch the video, find the code and paste it here. But now we've done it for you. So you just copy the code from the WhatsApp group or Facebook profile or Facebook group or my Twitter handle, anywhere you are seeing the code from, you copy it and you paste here. Okay, submit. Network is disturbing. Submit. My network is very bad. Alright, let me pause the video until I fix. Alright, I just reset the network. Let's try it again. Submit. Okay, it has been verified. Finish mission. Alright, claim 200,000 coins. That's just it, as simple as it is. It has added to my balance. Now it has stick good. So you see it here, right? I've done this. I've done them. So now when you complete these particular bosses, I've done 3 that they've given me. When you complete all the bosses they give you, you win this 1 million Tapswap coins. All right, so that's just about the Tapswap Cinema Codes. It's an interactive of making the project lively, just like Hamster is doing. So do well to keep mining. I will say this last word for you in this video. Make sure you are active on at least 5 projects. There's no way you can be active on every airdrop projects on Telegram or in this life, in this world. So just select the basic and verified legit ones. You can choose 10 you'll be very much active on, and the other ones you can just be trying on them, you understand. 10 you'll be very much active on, so that if something drops, if they airdrop, you get something huge, you understand. There's no need of doing 10 airdrop projects, 100 airdrop projects. When they come, you'll be getting $1 here, $2 here, $3 here, $1 here. If add them up, it will give you $120, which with the stress and everything, you can't even remember all of them. It's better off you focus on like 5, 10, you understand, 15, depending on your capacity, 20. Focus on them, do them well. When this one drops, when they drop, you'll be getting something like $400, $1,000, $4,000. You make something huge out of these projects. So this is not a fairy tale, you understand. You're investing, you're not investing your money into this project, you're investing your time and your energy, even your money, you understand, your the internet and other stuff. Here in Africa, we charge phone, we buy fuel, petrol to on generator and other stuff. We are investing. You may think it's free, but you're investing. So if you think this we are doing is a joke, then you have to rethink. Be active, okay? Be active. All we are wishing to all of us is good luck and success. Cheers. Meet you next time.